Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for trade. As we can see, the price reversed, but we didn't get proper trade setup unless anyone trade based on lower time frame. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We move to daily chart. We have been looking for correction. No one see whether this is the correction we have or with this one can. This is the only correction relative to this, or we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, because we mentioned if we get any correction, we can look for buy. And in this case, we move to lower time frame. We move to forward chart. We have been looking for this correction. As we can see, the prices start to move. We want to see whether we can get the continuation and the price can break the top or not. Okay, anyway, based on forward chart, the price reversed, but we didn't get any trade setup, even based on 1 hour chart. No, what's the next? Okay, if we want to look for trade, we need to get the trade setup here, either here or when the price move higher. Then we can look for trade. Rather than that, we cannot look for trade, because the question is, if you can we put this one in relative to this as an internal flat for one more drop, or already we had. Okay, why? Because if we didn't have this shadow, I could put these two in relative to each other. But right now, what we get here, maybe we need to put these two in relative to each other. And the second question is, the shadow broke the previous top. That's why we need to be quite careful. If we want to look for trade, we have to get a correction. If there is a continuation video giving us a trade setup, we are not going to trade it. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The best thing is we see whether we can get the trade setup or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.